In this course, I do not discuss the business aspects of managing a company. I do not discuss the points from the business perspective. Instead, I discuss the psychological issues that affect people at work. Also, I provide insights into leadership practice from a behavioral or a more human perspective. The idea of psychology in the workplace has become a popular one. This is because the proper understanding and use of psychology at work can have a positive impact on people's lives. For example, in the workplace, the employees show all sorts of different behaviors. Some employees would rather work at some other job. Some behave unprofessionally. And some do not aim to reach their full potential. To have a happy and productive workforce, aspiring leaders or managers need to study some of the techniques developed by industrial organizational psychologists. From these techniques, one can learn about human behavior. Specifically, one can learn methods of enhancing performance and the performance of colleagues and subordinates.